Hagjing rakhi buram ya kasngi kerpang ke Indian Red Cross Society kabalapan long hadarbar hall Karaj Bhavan Shillong hakapratre ujemmang arja arpusan ulat kejala UCH Vijaya Shankar lingba ke video ulapan pau bagi thong Trei kam jong ke Indian Red Cross Society kidai ki bakongsan haka imlang salang namar kam Pynshong Nongrim haka Jingsngew Iapher Jaitbynriew Jingsngew Iapher kenhun Niam. Ulo angru baga jing Pynshong ke Red Cross lingba ka blood donation camp ke jing ai jing rap haba warning shop ka Mariang nalor ki wede ki lat jing rap ki pen phalang shisha ya ki kam bakrau bakala le ya ki nong shong snong hakani ka sngi layodon lang da ki noi lam ka Indian Red Cross Society ka jela ki baken top yo ba RO Walang chairman ka kong Amelia Swear vice chairman but Lieutenant Colonel Dr. S Kumar vice chairman uba Andrew N Sawian general secretary ki khna puli na ki school but college prepare nalor ki wei de
On the side of humanity reminds us for core values of Red Cross, which are compassion, neutrality, and service to all, regardless of race, religion, and background. I commend the Meghalaya State branch of Red Cross for its tireless work and organizing blood donation camps in helping the disaster-affected communities and raising health awareness in remote areas. Your efforts reflect the true spirit of Red Cross, serving the empathy and standing by those in need. As Governor and President of the Red Cross Society in Meghalaya, I assure my full support. Let us continue to stand together for humanity today and always. Thank you. Kublai, Nikala, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya